All right, welcome to my kitchen. This is another day to make cookies. Yay! I'm gonna make today, it's called thumbprint cookies. I'm super excited to make this, and I got everything ready here what I need. And my oven is also preheated for 375. And this is excuse me, 1 cup supposed to be used unsalted butter, but like I said on my last video that I don't have unsalted butter, so this is salted butter, and it's 1 cup salted butter, so I'm just gonna use less salt. And has 2 large eggs and 1 cup of sugar and cornstarch. We have ½ cup of cornstarch and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. And this is vanilla extract. It's 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And it says to use kosher salt, but I don't have kosher salt. So it says to use 3/4 of a teaspoon kosher salt. I just use regular salt, only 1/4 teaspoon, because I'm using salted butter. All right, so I'm gonna cream the butter first, and this is, all right, anyways, so let's do this first. And room temperature butter, so it's super easy to mix. It'll be a little loud. I'm gonna mix this up first. Gonna add 1 cup of sugar, and you do want to scrape down sides of the bowl so it can mix everything nicely, so you don't left out any sugar on side. And I usually use 2 spatula here. Gonna put 2 eggs. Gonna put 1 at a time. Gonna add some vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just a 1/4 of teaspoon sugar. I mean salt, not sugar. And it says to mix cornstarch and flour together. So 4 cups of flour and ½ cup cornstarch. So we are using cornstarch, so no baking soda and no baking powder. Right? So I'm gonna mix this together real quick. I'm gonna slowly adding my cornstarch and flour mixture together. so it doesn't go all over my kitchen. You want to stop in the middle and scrape down your bowl. So I'm gonna continuously do this and finish all the flowers. All right, so I'm done mixing my flour and cornstarch together. So should look like kind of like a soft, like a Play-Doh consistency. So that's what it might look like. I know it's like, feels like dry, but it's not. So what you need to do is you can also just start baking and stuff right now, but I'm going to take this dough out and put it in a plastic wrapper and chill for like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna get all these out. Hope I'm not gonna spill anything because I'm pro for spilling. And also I forgot to mention at the beginning that you need to make a glaze to go on top of after the cookie's done. So I made a glaze with milk, vanilla, and what else we use? Powdered sugar, obviously. So I'm gonna tell you how much and stuff in just a second. Also, you're making a thumbprint cookies, so you need filling to goes in there. So it says to use a jam, but I'm going to use, I'm gonna show you just a minute. This Smucker's Natural from whatever it is. It's kind of like a jam, but this is what I have, so that's what I'm gonna use. Since I have like 3 kinds: blackberry, red raspberry, and some strawberry. So that's what you need to do the filling for the cookies. And this is my drizzle for the cookies that I have made this. So what you need to do is like make like a little dough, put it together, and put it in a plastic wrap and refrigerate for like 20 minutes. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, and come back and show you how to make this cookie. All right, so my dough was chilling in the refrigerator for like 20 minutes, or I would say half an hour, but it's all right. If it's a little bit longer, it's okay. And this is what it's look like. It's nice now, a little bit chill, so it's easy to work on. So what you need to do is like 1/4 of like a tablespoon of dough. Grab it, make like a little dough, like a round ball. My kitchen smells really good because cooked some coconut here. I'm making a coconut cookie next. So this is what it look like. And what you want to do is, this is my line cookie sheets that I put it on. So you put cookie dough right here and use your thumb or whatever's easy for you. Push it down gently, and then if it's a little crack, it's okay. You can just use your little fingers to mix, just fill up those cracks like this, or you can use your finger. Perfect. And you use 1/4 teaspoon of jam or spread or whatever. I'm using this brand. This is blackberry. Super excited. I hope this works. Okay. So you just basically fill this up. Oops. And if you make a little mess, just wipe it down. I'm gonna fill up this tray and bake it for 10 minutes and show you what it's look like. Okay, so my tryout cookie is ready. 10 minutes is up. Hey, looks pretty good, right? Right, Dave? Okay, my son gonna try the tryout cookies. How is it?
Hot. Not really good.
Alright, so finally we done with one tray. Like I said, it is a little time consuming, right, Dave?
Mm-hmm.
So my son, he's helping me. He's making all indent in all this cookie, and then put jams or spreads in the cookies. So one tray is ready. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 375. It's already preheated for 10 minutes. All right, so this is the final look for the thumbprint cookie. Yeah, perfect. You can use a sandwich bag and put this mixture in and drizzle it like that too, or use a spoon. All right, enjoy and thanks for watching.